Yo, what's good? Today we're going to talk about the recent Photoshop update, version 25.0, that released this September. This update made some small adjustments to the new AI tools in Photoshop, as well as the contextual taskbar and some other small adjustments too. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Starting off with the adjustments to the AI tools, you can remove objects differently using the Remove tool. Users can now draw a loop around areas or things they want to remove instead of brushing over them. For example, if I wanted to remove this pig and bird, instead of brushing over them, I can just make a loop around them to remove them. This will definitely be a huge time saver when trying to remove large objects from your photos that are hard and time-consuming to brush over. Next, we have generative AI, which in terms of functionality nothing has changed, but now you can use generative fill and expand for commercial use. On the topic of generative AI, Creative Cloud paid members and Adobe Express Premium subscribers now get access to generative credits as part of their subscription plans. However, even though Adobe has said this in their release notes, they have said in this FAQ that for a limited time, Creative Cloud, Adobe Firefly, Adobe Express, and Adobe Stock paid subscribers won't be subject to generative credit limits. To learn when credit limits will apply, check back here after January 1, 2024, indicating that the credit system won't be in place until at least January 1 of 2024. So, as of right now you can still use generative AI as much as you like until further notice. In addition, the additional functions have been added to the contextual taskbar, as well as the ability to pin the taskbar anywhere on the canvas. Those are all the updates that came out Photoshop version 25.0. Thanks for watching.